G'day, Matthew Cutler-Welsh here from Homestyle Green. Have you thought about prefab as a building option? Now prefab has a bit of maybe a bad name in New Zealand, and that's probably for not quite the right reasons. And I discussed this issue with Pam Bell from Prefab NZ just recently. So if you haven't checked out that episode, head over to iTunes and look for Homestyle Green, or you can look on homestylegreen.com and check out our recent episode. Chances are, if you're building or designing a house, you're going to be using prefab anyway, because even standard building practices use things like pre-nailed trusses, and that's a form of prefabrication. Now prefab can go to the far extreme of whole houses or whole buildings arriving on site on the back of a truck or being craned in. That might not be appropriate for your project, but there might be something in between, like wall elements or flooring elements, that part of the building fabric that are pre-made and pre-assembled somewhere off-site, and they arrive and get put together. This methodology has a lot to offer in terms of speed, quality, price, and also reduce construction waste. Kind of sounds too good to be true. And there are some things that are potentially holding that back, but we talk about that in the interview, so definitely check that out. In the meantime though, you can go into the draw to win a copy of Kiwi Prefab, Cottage Industry to Cutting Edge, and this is some of Pam's research gone into a great pictorial story of the history of prefab in New Zealand. It's totally relevant to anyone who's interested in architecture and building and good design in New Zealand and around the Pacific and Australia. So head over to our Facebook page, that's facebook.com/homestylegreen, or you can find us on homestylegreen.com. Enter into the draw and you can win a copy of that book that's been kindly donated by Pam. Thanks very much. I'm Matthew Cutler-Welsh, and stay tuned to Homestyle Green.